is for armadillo. A, armadillo, roll around, tap, tap, tap. B is for bison. B, bison, stomp the ground. C is for cave bear. C, cave bear, big bull swing. D is for diary wolf. D, diary wolf, moonlight howl. Like D, J, B, C, D. Ice Age animals. E is for elk. A, elk, antlers high. Crash, crash, clack. F is for fox. F, fox, quick little feet. Zig, zag, zap. G is for ground sloth. G, ground sloth, slow. Stretch, scratch, and sway. H is for hyena. H, hyena, giggle, laugh, play all day. Q, J, E, F, G. Ice Age animals. I is for ibex. Ibex, mountain, jump, hop away. Is for jaguar. J, jaguar, silent step, sneak and play. K is for kangaroo. K, kangaroo, jump up high. Boing, boing, boing. L is for lion. L, lion, mighty roar, strong and proud. U, J, I, J, K, L. Ice Age animals. M is for mammoth. M, mammoth, heavy steps rumble loud. N is for neuralgus. N, neuralgus, tiny hops bounce around. O is for oral. O, nighttime wings, soft no sound. P is for panthera. P, panthera, prowl and pounce with a sound. Q, D, M, N, O, P. Ice Age animals. Q is for quagga. Q, quagga, stripe, run, gallop free. R is for rhino. R, rhino, snort and charge, 1, 2, 3. S is for saiga. S, saiga, sniff the wind, swish and flee. T is for toxodon. T, toxodon, splashy steps by the sea. Choose U, R, S, T. Ice Age animals. U is for Ursus. U, Ursus, big bear walks side to side. V is for bully. V, bully, dig, 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 hide inside. W is for walrus. W, walrus, flap and slide, ocean ride. X is for sea nose, Millis. X, sea nose, miss, shark teeth, grin wild and wide. U, T, U, V, W, X. Ice Age animals. Y is for yak. Y, yak, shaggy, shake, stomp in snow. Z is for Zalophus. C, Zalophus, clap your fins, go, go, go. G, T, twice it.